my name is Eileen Han. I'm gonna demonstrate how to cook some of the greens that I always recommended my patient and my colleague how to cook the greens. Because mostly in this country we like to eat raw vegetables. I always recommend it to have some more of cooked food. How did you cook the vegetables? It's very simple. I usually prepare some garlic and ginger and chop them in small pieces. So you can see on my cutting board I have this garlic right here. It's already pre-chopped it, and then this is the ginger, and I like a little jalapeno, so sometimes I put jalapeno in there. So garlic, ginger, jalapeno, these are my favorite 3 ingredients that I like to use the most. So also I have onions here, so you can see sometimes I put little onions. However, green vegetables preferable is garlic, ginger, and a little jalapeno because you want them to be a little bit warmer. Most of the vegetables are in the cooling side for their property. They're not hot, so we can use garlic and ginger to bring up their properties. Instead of being cold and cooling, they can neutralize it. That's the reason why you can see most of the Chinese restaurant that you eating at, they always says, would you like to have some stir fry with garlic or stir fry with ginger? That's the whole reason why they're doing that, and they're putting a lot of spice to make the veggie taste fantastic. So I have using this olive oil and vegetable oils. It depends on which one that you like. I personally like the olive oil. Okay. Now I put some garlic in there, and you have to watch it. Don't cook it too long because that taste will become bitter. Now I put some ginger in there, just get the scent out of it so you can smell it. It's really wonderful. And the vegetable that I choose today, and you'll be surprised, this veggie, particular one, is coming from the sweet potato leaves. And I just grab all the leaves that I have and I put them in there real quickly and then turn it up to the high heat. It's already cooked a little bit, so your body doesn't have to use too much energy to digest the raw vegetables like this, okay? And I like to use a really good Himalayan salt or very good sea salt. You don't have to cook the vegetables until they're all dead, okay? But this is already beautiful. So now, almost every one of the leaves, it looks really, really nice and healthy and shiny. So now it's time we're gonna take it out, okay? So now we are going to take out the vegetables. Taste will be delicious. Alright, I'm gonna try it a little bit. The chef is tasting the veggie. Very good. Very good. They melted in my mouth, and then the steins are a little bit crunchy. Tastes really, really good. Here you go.